Hello everyone, I am Madhu Agnihotri.
Today I am going to discuss how to create references in MS Word. So for this, let us start from searching an article in Google Scholar and then taking that reference and creating a reference for that in MS Word. So at first, I go to Google Scholar and here I search for Google Scholar in a search engine. So the site comes up as scholar.google.co.in. So I click on this link and it takes me to the Google Scholar site. Here in the search bar, uh, we need to type the search phrase. So let me type it as e-commerce in India. And then I click on the search button. So it gives me the list of articles, the research work that has been done in this context and has been listed in Google Scholar. The first list that appears, it is sorted or arranged as per the relevance. Now say I want to pick up just the latest article related to the context. So I can click on this sort by date and then these research papers will be sorted as per the date. Now once I click on the sort by date, now here you can see the first article that appears is Impact of COVID-19 on Digital Payment Usage in India. It is written by R. Mate A. Kapdi and it has been uploaded 8 days ago. So it is the latest one. Say I want to uh, cite this particular work, this particular research paper in my work. So let me open the paper at first here. So I click on the link and it opens the paper. And here you can see that here at the top it gives the name of the journal, ISSN number, title of the work, and then the author details. And also here at the bottom of the page we also get other details like the volume number and the publication date. Okay, and also the page numbers for the journal publication. So all these details we need to cite in the reference so that if any reader of my work also wants to read this article, in that case they can reach this article through that reference. So for that, now let us open MS Word and see here we need to we need to have our work, and here whatever we want to cite from that paper, that we need to mention here in our own language, and then we need to create the reference for that. So here say from the findings, suppose I want to enter just one comment, that is say here it is written that from the findings, we asked the people to rate the e-wallets. 31% said they are highly satisfied, 58.9% said they are satisfied, 8.9% were neutral, and balances were not satisfied. More than, excuse me, more than 60% said they are dependent now on the e-wallets. So say I want to add this comment in my work. So say general comment I am writing here in my own language. At present, majority of the online users are dependent on e-wallets. And now here I need to add a reference for this comment. So in order to create a reference, we need to go to References tab. So click on References tab. Here we have Citations and Bibliography section. Click on Manage Resources, Manage Sources. Through this Manage Sources, we can see all the different type of references that has been created in MS Word on the system, and also we can create the new references over here. In order to create a new reference, we need to click on New button. So click on New. The first label is Type of Source. This gives us the list of all the possible sources that can be used as a reference in our work. So ours is right now is a journal article. So I choose journal article here. Next, bibliography fields for APA, that is the bibliography style that we are using here. Author. Now here we need to write the author names, and writing the author names is also has to be written in a proper way. So let us click on this edit, and now here first we have to enter the last name, then the first name, and then if any middle name is there, that has to be entered. So let us see the author names and refer it in the reference that we are creating. This is Rashmi Matil. So here I write last name as Matil and first name as Rashmi. Click add. Now here see it appears like last name comma first name. Similarly the second one I enter Kapri Atul. Again click add. So all the author names we have to enter like this, and once we have completed entering this, click OK. So now here see every author name is separated with a semicolon. That is the format in which the author names has to be entered. Next comes title. So I can just copy the title from this article and simply paste it over here. Journal name is Anveshak. So that also we can copy here. Year is 2021. Pages. So come here and refer to the article, and here at the bottom of the page numbers are given. So the article is starting from page number 78 of the journal, and it is completed on page number 87. So we need to write 78-87. So it is 78-87. So these are the compulsory fields, the mandatory fields that we must fill up for creating the reference. However, apart from that also there are many more fields that can be added over here, like volume, issue number, and also the URL, which is very important these days as we refer to these resources many times in online mode. So check this box and see the field names which are appearing with a red star represents the mandatory fields, and the other fields are we can provide if we have the information. So one very important information is the URL that we must provide. So let me select the URL and copy and paste it over here. Next is year access. Whenever we give any online reference for that, we also should mention the year accessed, month accessed, is date of retrieval of the research article is very important in case of online resources. Day access, say it is 30th December. Volume number, this is also given here at the bottom of the page, volume 51, and issue number is 2 and Roman 3. So we can write it like this: 51 issue 2 within bracket Roman 3. And then I click OK. So in this manner the reference has been created, and now here it is coming here and no tick is there. It means that it has not been referred in the current document yet. Okay. So once we insert this reference, then we can then there will be a tick against it, and it will show that it has been added in the document. Here in the preview box we can see that whenever we refer this, it will appear like in this manner in the document. So here now, in order to insert the citation, click on this insert citation, and then the citations that you have added in the manage sources, those you can add from here. So just click here, and in this manner it appears. So in this manner we can create references in the documents, and whenever we want to, when we have completed our work, at the end of the document we can insert bibliography like this. It will be automatically inserted in the document, and in this manner it will automatically, we don't need to create the list separately, but it will be automatically created and will be entered here like this. That is all. Thank you.